Hi, and welcome to Yolo Queen Bee Tarot. I am Yolo Queen Bee. I prayed over the cards, cleansed them, and shuffled them. So I'm doing a reading for Leo for December of 2021. All right, Elohim, give us messages for Leo. Leo, please. Thank you. Leo. All right, Leo. We got the Nine of Cups, the Queen of Wands, Ten of Cups, the Ace of Pentacles, the Devil, and the Ten of Wands. It's pretty straightforward, Leo. So you feel pretty you're self-confident. You got 9 cups in a row. You're content. Your stuff's in order. And then there's this Queen of Wands, and maybe you feel this way about the Queen of Wands. She's got all her cups in a row. She's in alignment, and she's sitting pretty. She's on her throne, looking at you in the power position, straight ahead. And maybe you see this Queen of Cups in her glory as your Ten of Cups, right? Ultimate satisfaction, like this is Ten of Cups. She is it. And again, it just gets better because there's the Ace of Pentacles. This is a lump sum of money, like 3D, right? Tangible. This is a new beginning in abundance and finances, and a lump sum of money. Like, look at this. You can't get no better than Queen of Wands. She is the epitome of all the queens, right? She's been through all kinds of stuff. She knows how to get dirty and work, but she's there. That's fantastic. Then here's the Devil, which probably talks about addictions. The Devil is Capricorn energy, so either it's Capricorn or someone suffering from addictions that causing heavy burdens at this time. Let's clarify and see. Everything's, a little bit of something. Let's see. How about this Queen of Wands? She's in hangman mode. She's chilling. You see the hangman? This is someone who is just staying still. They're contemplating. Their heads aglow. The queen, she's getting downloads. Maybe she's talking to source and intuition. She's just sitting there chilling. Why is she in hangman mode? What's she waiting for? What is this queen waiting for? This is a collaboration, learning new skills, or this is a partnership with the Queen of Cups. Maybe there's going to be a partnership with the Queen of Cups, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio, or there's a third-party situation. If she's getting downloads, she could get a download of a third-party situation that she already knows about. She's just waiting for someone to come tell her something. What's this Devil? Clarify the Devil, please. The Emperor and the Four of Wands. This is stability. So maybe the Devil is that the Emperor is married already. Clarify this Four Wands. Yep, it's the truth. Come on, Spirit, come through. Ace of Swords, this is the truth. That's the Devil energy. This Emperor is married already. So that's the third party situation with the Queen of Cups. Wow. Really, Leo? All right. So what's the intentions of the Emperor? Knight, and that means coming and going energy, and the King of Swords. That means he's coming to be give you truth, but he's not trying to stay. Yeah, he's being deceptive with it. That's probably the clarify this 3 of coins. What's this 3 of coins here? Well, yeah. Come on, Spirit. 7 of Swords. This means deception and lies. So there's lies. She knows. The Queen who's in Hangman knows about a third-party situation and the lies. Or this could also be a Pisces who's involved in third-party situation and she knows that there's lies. And so how is he going to get this 10 of Cups? Being married. Come on. Oh, he's holding back. Yeah, he's holding back, but this is also a materialistic card. And someone who likes to control. So Leo, are you trying to woo another person, but you're married or they're married? This is an Aries card, so this could be an Aries you're dealing with. Tell me about this though. Do I want to know? What else do we need to know? It's pretty straightforward. All right, tell us, how does this Emperor think he's going to get away with this? Oh, the World in reverse. It came out in reverse. So there's going to be delays because maybe there's something incomplete about closing out. This is 21. That means end of a cycle. So in reverse means there's a delay or there's something that's still not finished with this Emperor. Like maybe there has to be a physical meetup where you actually exchange words, you know. Sometimes people don't end things until they actually hear it from someone, right? So maybe that's the ending. There has to be an ending to this. All right, Leo. Well, let's get you a Gaia card for this situation. And if you're interested, I'm using the Toni, Carmine, Salerno, Gaia Oracle deck. Yep, see? Bottom of the deck, moving to calmer waters. So that's probably your best bet, Leo. Go to calmer waters. All right, give us a Gaia card for Leo. Gaia card for Leo, please. Thank you. All right, we got one. 9 of Hearts, fulfillment, harmony, and protection. Card number 37, which goes down to a 10, which means it's an ending and a beginning. Fulfillment, harmony, protection. This card signifies success, emotional fulfillment, and wisdom. Something that is dear to you or something that you are working towards has a positive outcome. This leads to a period of peace and harmony and a deep sense of personal satisfaction and emotional fulfillment. That which you strive to create and achieve is granted, and all is protected along the way. The light shines upon you, all is blessed. You can move forward with confidence. I am blessed, I am protected, I am grateful, I am fulfilled, I am love. Oh, what a good card. All right, Leo. Well, that's it for you today. Thank you for joining me. I'm Yola Queen B. You only live once. I love you, and namaste.